Man, come on. Just stay on the thing. Just stay on. There we go. There we go. Okay. I just bought some protein cookies. They claim to have 18 grams of protein per bag, which I thought was a lot. So I was like, damn, I gotta buy these. And I bought 2 just to be on the safe side. And I'm hungry. So, without further ado, let's get to it. I don't have any water, too. So if these joints are dry, then rest in peace to me. About 3 servings per bag. Okay, 140 servings. Damn, that's a lot. That is a lot. That's pretty good. Yeah. Really? That's pretty good. It's all dry though. Oh. I'm just gonna eat 1 bag today. Just because there is 3 servings per bag, so. These motherfuckers is good. See, the only problem is I ain't got no water with me. I got no water. I'm all out. But fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let me tell you how I was in there shopping. Damn, man. You're making all that noise, but you ain't going nowhere. Okay. Let me tell you how I was in there shopping, right? And I just got done my workout, so I smell like ass. Pure ass, okay? I couldn't stand smelling myself. I know damn well them workers there couldn't stand smelling me either. But you know what? I stayed in there for an extra 10 minutes. Just because, you know? If I gotta smell myself, so do you. Yeah, man, this is good. I don't think I sold the bag. This is a bag, man. You know, good hell. Kobe. Damn. Can't breathe up in this bitch. That's all I wanted to tell y'all. I'm done. I'm out. Peace, love, and hair grease. Alright?